In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue a refund in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a refund so your books stay accurate and your customer gets their money back the right way. Let's start inside your QuickBooks Online account. From any screen, look for the plus sign that usually appears at the top of the page. Click on that, and from the menu that opens, choose Refund Receipt. This tells QuickBooks that you're not creating a new sale, but instead reversing part or all of a previous one. Next, you'll choose who you're refunding. At the top of the refund receipt, open the customer dropdown and select the customer that the original sale was made to. Make sure you pick the exact same customer that appears on the original invoice or sales receipt, so the refund links correctly in your reports and customer history. Now, fill in the details to mirror the original sale as closely as possible. Enter the same product or service that the customer originally bought and update the date to the actual date you're issuing the refund. Matching these details helps keep your income and refund activity clear and easy to track later on. After that, choose how you're refunding the customer under payment method. You might see options like credit card or direct debit, and you can also use Add New if your preferred method isn't listed yet. If you're issuing a credit card refund, you may have the option to type in the customer's card details directly or process it through a connected card reader, depending on how your QuickBooks account is set up. If you're refunding by check, select the correct bank account under the Refund From dropdown, and type in the check number if you're writing it by hand. This ensures the money is tracked coming out of the right account. Before you save anything, take a moment to carefully review the products or services listed and confirm the quantities and amounts. QuickBooks will automatically calculate and include sales tax if it applied to the original sale, so double-check that the tax looks correct for your region and situation. Once everything looks right, go ahead and click Save and Close. Your refund is now recorded in QuickBooks Online, your customer's balance is updated, and your financial reports will reflect the refund accurately.